Ask me one thing. How do I make $100 a day? Can I just plug and play one of your algos and make $100 a day? I mean, if you have capital, but these people have zero capital. Can you make $100 a day? Plug and play in anything of mine? No. First off, there's nothing plug and play around here. You got to build your own edge. Everybody knows that. If you're in the game, nobody's sharing anything. I try to share the most. That being said, it's just not a good. I get a lot of people asking, "How do I make money? How do I make money?" I don't have any money. Can I just build a trading bot and make a bunch of money? Probably not, dude. Maybe you could go ahead and start back testing and help other people research, but you have to have some capital to trade. Jim Simons returns 60% per year, and he built a net worth of $30 billion. But he had a lot to trade. So 60% off $1 billion is much bigger than 60% off your $100. You see what I'm saying? So just to help everybody that is trying to make that $100 a day, I'm curious about this clipping thing. We have had some clippers that I've sent payments to over the past year or whatever, maybe even longer at this point. So it is possible to make money this way. It's interesting to see. I see all those TikToks and short videos about clippers making thousands of dollars a day. So let's see if that's actually possible. Let me go ahead and try to make that clipping thing a little easier for our videos, and maybe this will be something that everybody can just plug into their website. Anybody that has like a clipping program or has videos. One of the biggest requests I get is shorter videos. Please make shorter videos. But I'm chasing Jim Simons. He ran up a net worth of $30 billion through Quant. I'm focusing there, so I'm not making short, concise videos all the time. I know this week I'm spending a week or whatever making shorter and concise videos, but it's been about 5 years, bro. It's been about 5 years. So, anyways, let me go ahead and hack on this a bit. This is going to be interesting, I think. Please go ahead and build a new tab on the website, and it'll be called Clippers. This Clippers tab is going to have a. Let me explain the idea. Let me just explain the entire idea. Essentially, I don't know if you remember those referral websites back in the day where you were able to complete a trial of some like GameFly or something, and once you completed the trial, you would go green. Is what they would say. It'd go green. You'd have a meter. It'd say go green. You turn green, and the whole objective would be to get like a free $500 Amazon gift card, and maybe we could do that, like a $500 Visa gift card as the prize, or an Amazon gift card, either one. And they get to select the prize. And then, back in the day, what happened was after they selected the prize, they had to do that free trial, right? The free trial would then activate them. You used to say go green or whatever. And then after that, they had to invite 10 friends to do the exact same thing. Now, I think this is an interesting concept to apply to the current Clipper meta. There's kids out there making thousands of dollars a day just clipping streamers' videos. And I actually have a stream that I'm building trading systems, and I don't really have time for all the editing or clipping. So, it's kind of a win-win. It's opportunity for them, and the whole community gets the clips that are shorter pieces of my stream, and the people on the end, they make money as well. So, yeah, but this is a different approach to clipping. It's not just like, hey, make $2 per 1,000 views. This is going to be like, okay, get 50,000 views on your clips to go green. And then once you go green, invite X number more. We'll have to do the math out. We'll have to model the math out. But that's the big picture. And I think from there, you could ask me some questions, and then you could go ahead and build this into a whole new tab on the website. Dun, 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 dun. Authentication successful. Why would you bring me to this chat though? I don't know. Polymarket probably not working anymore. Liquidations. Okay, let's answer her questions first. 11.5. 11.25. Look at that. Nice. Okay, let's answer her questions first. This is a brilliant concept. I love the viral referral twist on the Clipper model. Before I build this, let me ask some key questions look at that. To get the structure right. Questions to clarify. Nice. How will you track views? YouTube API integration? Okay, let's answer her questions first. Do clips need to be posted on a specific platform? This is a brilliant concept. I love the viral. So I think for now they'll have to be manually. The views will be manually tracked. They'll when they're ready to submit, they can submit the number of views that they got, and then all of the links to the videos that have those views, and then we'll have somebody then review that. Later, maybe AI can do it, or at least help. So this is no problem to have a manual review for now, as we don't want to use the YouTube API because it's trash. This is why we get strikes, dude. Because you talk shit about the platform you're on. Why we get strikes? Chill out. Referral math. After hitting 50K views, going green, how many referrals do they need? Do referrals also need 50K views or a different threshold? So let's make this very easy to change in a config. So the number of referrals needed and the number of views to go green. And the person that they do refer has to go green in order for it to count as a referral. See what I'm saying? So you have to invite 10 people that do the exact same thing. We'll also have a number of views that they can get by themselves without referring anybody. For those people that don't want to refer people, they can just do it with views as well. So let's say 50,000 for now, with the 10 referrals, and without, then it will just be, I don't know, 500,000. But we'll get the real math in there, and as long as the config is easy, my nig, then we're Gucci. How do you verify they're clipping your content specifically? Well, since we do a manual review, if they're clipping other people's content, not ours, then it doesn't count. Or whoever, maybe this extends to other people as well. So maybe other clients can come on. I don't know. But I think the manual review will handle all of that. Yeah, the user chooses between the two prize options. We'll have a Discord, anybody in the public Discord. So really in my Discord, anybody in my Discord can we'll use accounts through there for now. But anybody, instead of just, I know for the other parts of the dashboard, it's like only one role. I want anybody that is in the Discord that maybe clicks start now or join or whatever. I don't know. Activates on that page. All they need, like they can go there. Everybody can go to the website. But in order to start, they'll have to just log in with their Discord. So we can give them a link to a button that will join the Discord if they're not in it already, and then connect to Discord in order to join the Clipper program. Okay. What other questions do you have? These are great questions because we would have been all over the place without them. Any other prize tiers for milestones? How do you deliver the prize? The prize is there's only one tier. It's for that 500, and it will be delivered via email. What should users see? Their current view count, progress bar to 50K with Go Green. Yes. They should see the progress bar and then some sort of button that they can say submit for verification. You know, have you hit the 50,000 views? Submit for verification. They're able to start doing the referrals in that time between. So maybe we could do that, like get the referral code or whatever. You can have it blocked by the login with your Discord or yeah. No leaderboards or anything needed. We don't need to over engineer this. Don't hold back on design, though. Make it beautiful and fun. How to prevent fake views and slash bots, manual review of clips. No make their terms section where it says engineer this. Don't hold back on 30% or more of your views need to come from the US, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand. Otherwise, your views will be prorated. Okay. Let's see. User signs up, selects prize. Yep. The flow should be get to the page, select prize. So you don't have to sign up yet. Select prize. And then it explains how to do it. You know, what the thing is, you got to get your X number of views, whatever the config says, and then invite X number, Y number of people after to do the same thing. And then they can click a button to join. And if they don't have, if they click and join through the Discord and they don't have the Discord, then they'll have to join the Discord first. God, that's dirty. Just don't like that. I don't like that. So in that flow, I think you can have them then log in with Discord. And if they're not already part of our Discord, then they'll have to join the Discord. Okay, let's see if there's any other questions she has. How to prevent fake views and bots. We will prevent fake views and bots by analyzing their videos before giving them credit. So in order to go green, it has to pretty much go through a manual review. So we should just have like a button where they can say submit for, be submit for review once you hit your whatever the config says views. A couple keys here are, I want anybody to go to this website, be able to go to this website. So if they have the link to, moondev.com/clippers, then they can go there and they can pick their prize and understand everything in order to start qualifying for it. Make it very clear, a clear walkthrough. So anybody can go to the site, pick their prize, and understand how to do it, and then log in with their Discord in order to get their referral code. And now that I think about it, dude, we don't even need to have, they don't even have to be part of our Discord. They just have to log in with Discord. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know if that's doable, but we essentially just need to make an account, a referral ID for them based off of something unique. And since we already have Discord connected here and figured out in the app to connect them, we might as well utilize that. Once all 5 friends go green, yep. Is that the flow? Yep. So whenever they come back to the website and they log in with their Discord, they should be able to see their progress. And really the progress they're going to be able to see all the time is, they're not going to be able to see the views, right? Because that's manually tracked. They just have to submit for review, and we'll have something sent to the back end or something that shows, oh, we got somebody waiting for review, and then we'll review them. And if we review passes, we'll just turn their account green. And if it doesn't pass, we should have in that config, wherever we turn them green, some notes, a note section that will pop up on their screen when they log in, the reason for denial, for example. Then we could put 3-4 sentences of exactly why they didn't get their green. It could be like, well, we need a little more information about this or that. So when they do submit for verification, ask for all the links, a link for each video, so we get in front of that. But that's a good idea. All right, this is the biggest prompt ever. I need to chill. I need to chill. I need to chill. I need to chill, bro. That's enough, bro. That's enough. Cut it off. Cut him off. Cut him off. He's been here long enough. Cut him off. He says, hey, for the Polymarket Swarm bot, I saw a little issue. The bot doesn't go through the rules as stated on Polymarket. What do you mean? The rules as stated on Polymarket. Oh, it doesn't read the rules. Like the terms, are you saying? So on Polymarket, each market has their own like terms here. So the rules. Okay, yeah, the rules. They're called rules. It doesn't read the rules. Ah, good call, bro. A great idea. Thank you. I actually have a nice list of Polymarket updates here, and I'm gonna add that to it because that's alpha. I mean, it's not, maybe not alpha. It's alpha for the AI agents. Like they're gonna be able to figure out things from that I would probably be able to figure out if I looked at every single market. I'm not gonna be able to look at every single market, and they can. Great call, bro. So feed in the rules to the AI agents. Such a simple thing that you would think that I would know to do, but no, dude. This is a whole new world. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing about it. And there's always fire in the chat. So I'm grateful for you guys. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Find the chat. Find the chat. Okay, so she's fermenting here. Yeah, go through the links. Like a web search would be awesome as well. So a couple people have said I need to implement Google search access. I think that and adding the rules, those are just two big leaps. And that's the beautiful thing about this, dude. I get this out here to you guys so fast because I can't do everything. Nor can I come up with all the ideas. So a lot of quants work in teams. You guys are my team, so I'm just gonna push it here. Push it here, and then you guys come back to me with some far ideas. So I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Great progress. Now let me create the API endpoints. This will be a big file. So I'll create it as a separate module. Okay. Existing fast API. Excellent progress. Backend is done. Now let me create the beautiful front end page. This will be comprehensive. Okay. She's compacting now. So you know what that means. It's time to get jumping a little bit. Get a few jumps in while she compacts. I haven't jumped today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. Let's get it. Bye, bye, bye. Another improvement you could do around the same area of the rules is market context, which you generate. It might improve the understanding of the research. Oh yeah, you could just have an AI generate the context as well. Fire, dude. Have you worked with Ace Asset Tokenization? What do you mean? Like, have I? Yeah, what do you mean? No, no. Clearly, if I don't know what you mean, I guess I answered your question. Clippers routes are trying to import from config.clippers.config, but there's an import error. You beginning to Python? Nice, bro. 6 months, 3 months, 3 to 6 months. Yeah, probably. Just takes time. It takes repetition. That's it. Okay, so perfect. The Clippers backend is fully integrated and working. Let me create a summary document of what's been completed. Clippers backend integration complete. The Clippers viral referral program backend is now fully integrated and running. Here's what was accomplished. Backend files, all program settings, views required. Okay. SQL database with fallback. 11 API endpoints. Clippers router imported. What model are you using right now? API endpoints, user table dash. Next steps here. Okay, so what's the website link? Hey, so what's the website link? I actually get the chat app when I go to that Clippers page. So it looks like it's just overloaded with something else. Then when I go to it here on this website, it doesn't, it shows me all this. Locally, it still shows that chat app. So it's like something's getting overfilled. Like it's, yeah, it's old or something. I don't know. I think it's because I have another server running, maybe. So kill that, bro. Five days ago, 15 days ago. How about that? It's local hosted, locomotives. What the hell? Bam, let's just push it live. Or use a different, yeah, use 3001 or something because we're still saying the same shout out. The same out. You're getting too smart, fam. You're getting too smart, dude. I can't have that. Whisper Flow is getting too intelligent. She can't understand me. She's changing my words now. I need to speak a little more particular. How about we just test it on the live? I can just have it go to the actual website. Because we're having a tough time with the local. TypeScript error. I didn't even know we were using TypeScript. All right, the back end's live. Let's get it. Clippers. Nothing loads, just a white page when I go to this website. Success. Okay, Moondive Clippers. Turn your clipping skills into cold hard cash. The Moondive streams, rack up views, and win a $500 gift card. It's that simple. No catch, just clips. How it works: pick your prize, start clipping, create engaging clips from Moondive streams. Hit your target, get 50,000 plus 10 green referrals, or 50,000, 500,000 solo. So let's be a little more specific here. Let's drop the whole no catch thing you got going on, because there is kind of a catch. This is the catch. And so it says get 50,000 views plus 10 people to do the same, just to be a little more clear on this section. Okay, so we review your views and approve your prize. Receive your $500 gift card via email. 50,000 views with referrals, 10 referrals needed, $500 prize. Geographic requirements: 30% or more of your views must come from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And please drop all the purple coloring you're doing here. please. Thank you. Yeah, she's compacted. She's compacted again. Honey, she's compacted. Check out this monad. This is the most interesting thing we see. That's a good move, dude. That's a good little move from almost 100%. 75%. It's good to see. It's good to see. It is nice to see. You tried Kalshi yet? No, I haven't. It's the same thing, right? Same thing as Polymarket, or is there a difference? Monad going crazy. Let's go to CoinGecko here. Make it more of a dark theme, like black. That's what I do need to do while this is going, dude. Okay, let's go ahead and change that up as well. I went ahead and changed that. Okay, thank you. Let me answer some fulanos in the DM. Nice, bro. You got this. And if you need any help, you can join the members area here. This is a squeeze here, dude. Let's see what it's looking like on Hyperliquid. Come on here. Oh yeah, this is a squeeze. This is right where we were talking about it too. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Respect the pump, dude. I'm happy. Hey, how are you, man? I know. Absolutely. You can build for any market, but there is no the trading bot. I show you how to build your bots with your strategy. I do think a spot strategy is much safer though, so I like how you're thinking. Okay, let's go ahead here and say turn the motherfucking air conditioning on because it's hotter than a Okay, let's go ahead here and say, see the new dark theme. Drop that dark theme, make it blend in more with the website. It looks real clunky right now, having that black box there. Just have it blend in, just don't use as much purple. No, unfortunately, I don't sell trading bots. I do have a boot camp that will show you how to build your own, though. Black Friday sale right now. Absolutely, I feel like I can build anything. I'll show you how to build here. Clippers, clippy, 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 clippy. Clippity, clippity. Moondive Clippers, okay, bitch. Turn your clipping skills into Carhartt cash, clip Moondive streams, rack up views, win a $500 gift card. It's that simple. No cash, just clip. No cash, no clip. Clip, clip. Start earning now. What the hell? Submit for review. Okay, that's pretty chill. I feel like the Discord login should work because we already have the Discord login set up with the bot and all that good stuff on the other pages. So you could just use something similar to that, except this one doesn't need, they don't need to be in our Discord. They just need to log in with the Discord, and then we'll use their Discord name at the end of their referral link. And then we'll have custom referral links for everybody. I shouldn't be able to move on to that page without it. And then also on the verified views here, it should be 0 out of 50,000. And once you, and then put a little more instruction. It says once you hit your 50,000, submit the clips for review. And then let's put some more instructions on that Clipper demo page. Or not, it shouldn't be a demo page anymore, by the way, but we should put it on the referral part. It says, after you get your 50,000 views, maybe not after, but also it says get 10 other people to get their 50,000 views. And then also we need a big button where it says download videos you can clip. And then a sub button that says feel free to get the videos from the internet as well, but here are a bunch of Moondev's videos inside of Dropbox. Okay, and then let's give them that link. Clip first. All right, make those updates and then push it live. I actually want to, since it's going to be hard to track people's actual who signed up, who referrals. I want to change this whole referral link thing. So when they do sign up and they do activate, the only way they can actually activate is if they have an invite code. So this will be invite code only in order to even, after they select their prize, have it be a nice little workflow. So they click their prize and then it says the questions and then it says sign up. And when they click that sign up button, they got to put in their invite code. It's invite only. So everybody will get their own invite codes that they can give out. And it'll have to start with me because I'm the only one with invite codes. So yeah, just give me 20 invite codes that I can use, or admin, maybe like 100 admin invite codes that we can have. But in order to actually get to the dashboard, you have to put in your invite code. And maybe we do that after the Discord part because then we know that they're already connected to Discord at least, and we got their username. And then we can connect their username to their invite code. Now, when they get into their dashboard, they'll be able to create their own short invite code. So instead of using their Discord name or whatever, they'll be able to make an invite code like Bob or something. And this will make it much easier for them to tell their friends, like, hey, sign up and use the invite code Bob. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, let's make that workflow. So after they sign up with Discord, they get to create their own invite code and they get up to, this will be in the config as well, but right now they get up to 20 invites. No, it does. There's no cap. There's no cap on the invites. No cap. But anyways, that's how it goes. So they'll make their invite code. So in your referral link, there's just essentially going to be a button where they have to say, what do you want your invite code to be? And then we can change all the referral talk to invites, you have to invite 10 people to get 50,000 views as well. I think this is going to be much easier to track things because as long as we connect their Discord to their invite code, then we'll be able to see how many people they've invited. And since there's a gate now and you can only get in with an invite code, we are able to easily see who invited who. So go ahead and build this. Give me 100 of my own invite codes and they'll start with me. I'm not even using Opus, bro. He gets it. He doesn't even use it. He gets it, he doesn't even use it. What the hell? You don't use it, you gotta lose it. All right, let's see how this works. New invite code table with 100 admin codes. Okay. Definitely. I want you to finish this. Compacting conversation. What is she doing? She working so damn hard. The download of videos button is only on the dashboard, so they have to already be logged in and have made their thing. All that stuff is private, only for people that have logged in and stuff. After I logged in, it sent me back to the homepage, oddly enough. Da, da, da. If they click on the $500 gift card, either of those buttons, it will move on like it's like they're clicking start earning now. They'll say gift selected, and then they'll flash that real quick and then move on to that next page. God damn, dude, this is crazy how much credits it takes for front end stuff. Front end dev, back at it. Back at it. Back at the front end. Nah, fam. Nah. I think that's good. Much love to you. Peace.